Fun fact about those stellar jays, I think I mentioned this in one of my California road trip videos. They are beautiful, loud, and super cute looking birds, but they're evil. Well, I shouldn't say they're evil, but they push the parents out of the nest and steal eggs and eat them. I fact checked, it's even worse. They actually eat the baby birds. And so parts of Northern California, you have to have a crumb-free zone. They don't want you to leave any crumbs in your campsite whatsoever because that attracts the stellar jays. And there's some endangered birds that nest very high up in the trees. And they're trying to keep that species alive by discouraging stellar jays from being in the area.